There should be a way, but there isn't.
There's no way.
There's this, yeah. We're just talking about, talking about, there's a setting on my camera for focusing, and I want it on infinite so that it doesn't matter where I'm pointing the camera, it's always in focus. But it always wants to go back to normal, so it switches between macro mode and portrait mode and all this other BS.
That
Anyway,
we don't want.
yeah, we don't want that. Hey, Cheryl is not home from work, but back from work.
Back from work.
Because we're not home right now. Waiting for a bus so that we can head to
This place, which you might not even be able to see, is the Kitchener Rangers.
Forehead Rangers.
Yep, we're going to the game tonight, courtesy of my grandparents. Thank you for the Christmas gift.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Alright, so we're going to be there in 1, 2, 3.
And now we're at the arena.
Yay! Alright, I had. Cheryl got that.
I got a shirt. Because it's cold.
It is cold-ish. Not that bad. Okay, so I guess we're gonna go get something to eat and then sit down. So you'll see our seats. Yep. Well, it's not actually Pepsi. We got Sprite. Pizza. Look, yes.
The baby is enjoying the pizza very much. Yeah.
Okay, let's hope we win. This clip has Ryan McGinnis, who's the son of Al McGinnis, getting a crystal globe thingy because he was part of Team USA at the World Junior Championships. Go him. Hey. Very nice play by Jeremy Bracco to hold on to the puck.
It's a beautiful goal.
Yeah.
Like 30 seconds.
It's great.
Coming up is our Pizza 3 stars of the game. The second star of tonight's game for the York Kitchener Rangers, number 3, Brian Crosby. And the first star of tonight's game for York Kitchener Rangers, number 97, Jeremy Bracco.
We won! Woo! 4-2. Okay, we'll be outside. It's raining a little bit. Not that bad though.
Raining. It's cold raining.
Yeah. So we're waiting for a bus. Should be here in like, I don't know, 15 minutes.
We were gonna bring an umbrella, but you're not allowed to bring umbrellas in Iran. So couldn't really bring an umbrella. And this bus said it was 20 minutes away, but it must have just been sitting at the station because then all of a sudden it was another 20 minutes. So now we're just cold. I'm cold anyway.
Hey, that bus, can you become the bus that takes us home?
I'm pretty sure that's the one that goes to Hamilton.
Close
The
enough.
Hamilton fan bus.
Hey, they can bring us home real quick, like.
No, because they get on the highway right there. And I don't want to be on with them. They just lost the game by 2. You don't want to be on there.
Look, see? You're not even turning that way. See, it would have been fine.
TV stop?
Maybe. See, and that would have been good too, because I got a gift card.
You do have a gift card. It's true. It's true.
Alright, you guys are lucky. You guys aren't out in the rain right now. You guys will see us when we get home. And right now.
Where will be dry. Hopefully.
Was that Dooney?
What? Oh.
Oh, attitude. Yeah. Anyway, see? We're home. You're lucky. You have to wait. You have to go on the bus. You have to walk in the slipperiness
It
of
took so long
the rain.
to walk home. I'm sorry. But my boots have no tread. So long to walk home because it's real slippery.
It's okay. I'm blaming Cheryl.
I am.
Well, she is, but I'm not. Just have some kind of quick tidying up to do just because the house is a little messy, but that's really it. And that's really it for us. So, yay, Rangers won.
Rangers won.
Yay. Are you also cheering, Shadams? Is that what that is? A cheer?
Say yay, Rangers. Say it.
Alright, I'll
Sure.
I'll
take
that's
it.
good. All right.
Okay.
Bye. Don't forget it. I got that. Yeah. Oh, we got some stuff. Yeah, that's good. Good. Yeah. Awesome. If you're watching the world of it, you never know. Done now. That's right. That's Man Pat.
Pat and his body like cat. I love that show. Do you guys